Hello everybody and welcome back to another summer vlog. This week is last week because I am back in work next week. Week. Seems to be the theme of this, week. So it is Sunday the 15th of August. We've got lots of things that we need to get done this week in terms of getting ready for back to school. The time has come and where this summer holiday has gone, I really don't know. Probably that most of it was spent in this very bedroom that I'm in right now. But there's things we need to get organised, things we want to get done, time to enjoy, as well as jobs that need been doing as well. So come along with me on this week, enjoy the video, enjoy the vlog, catch you in a little bit. So I am in the kids' bedroom because we are going through clothes. One of the things that we do before heading back into school, it's probably the same as every other parent out there, is check clothes. Does it still fit? Where has that paint splotch come from? Who's written on your dress? Why is there a hole there? Type of questions. But we have to go and get new uniform, and there's only one shop in Dubai that sells the uniform we need, and we're off there right now. Wish me luck.
Go down another race. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions. Midnight confessions. Yeah.
So I've had a productive but relatively quiet morning today. It's just been tasks and jobs that need sorting around the house and tasks that I just need to prepare ready for next week and this term, as well as just continuing to work on some of the projects that I've been doing almost a year now in terms of the book, just finishing off things for that. So those things are out of the way, and afternoon plans, me and Livy are going to head off to the hotel and see if we can combine training in the gym with going for a swim. So catch you in a bit. Middle of the day workout. One of the best things about summer holidays, middle of the day workout. So me and Livy have come to the Habitat Grand. We've come here loads of times. If you've seen any of my videos before, come here frequently. Difference is today, she's gone down into the kids club. It gives me about 45 minutes to an hour just to get a session done. And I'm in the gym completely on my own. It's a great little gym here. So I'm gonna go pick her up now. We are gonna go for a swim, maybe get some ice cream, enjoy the slides for an hour or so before heading back home. So catch you in a bit.
Hi guys. Right now we're at a
What's the name of the hotel?
swimming pool. I forgot the name of the hotel.
Habitat Grand.
Habitat Grand. And we're just here to enjoy and rest. So I hope you stick to the video, like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye. Where do I put it?
So me and Liv have literally just walked through the door, and Kerry has told us that we're now going off to IKEA because she needs to pay something, and also because who doesn't love an excuse to go and get an IKEA hot dog? Sit down. Balance. So, with having the dog, living in a hot country where tiles are everywhere and the occasional rug, yeah, hair gets everywhere. I used to think it was just female hair, and obviously now It isn't, it's my hair as well. Believe it or not, I actually did have this cut the other day. But I am someone who is very much habitual. The dog's just here, by the way. That's why it looks, if I look like I'm just putting down, I'm not. I'm someone who's very much habitual. I like good habits. I like to get into good habits. And I'm also someone who, when it comes to summer jobs or summer tasks, I don't like to have them just hanging over me. And this summer holidays felt like a really weird one, probably because I spent the first 2 weeks in quarantine in the bedroom upstairs and feel like I missed out on quite a chunk of time. But once I go back into work, my focus is going to be on planning, teaching, learning, the department in itself, all those other things. And it seems like all these good ideas and good intentions that you had through the summer holiday, when you go, oh, I've got all this time, I'll do this room, I'll do this, and that you haven't got done, they just go out the window. So trying to get the house sorted, just so it's in a state of readiness for going back into school, because as soon as the kids go back and I'm back in, it is a whirlwind, and then you always find out you're just chasing your tail to get things sorted. So want to get things ticked off. As I said, that's the purpose of this week a little bit, just ticking off those jobs. Uniform was one that we did the other day. Burnt a small hole into my bank balance, but if it's just a once off, oh god, I've just vacuumed and got all this hair everywhere again, then so be it. But for now, it's one thing ticked off, on to the next. Summer's almost over, time to be cleaning the garden, getting it ready for barbecues, but generally just actually being tidy. And who doesn't need an excuse to get a good power tool? We have made it to the weekend, which in some ways is a good thing, and in other ones is kind of like, oh, I'm back in work tomorrow, because it's Saturday. Time over this weekend has been a bit of a split. I've been doing a coaching course, an online coaching course, so did 10 hours last weekend across Thursday, Friday, and I've done 10 hours this weekend across Thursday and Friday. You want to come in? You can come and chat with us. We're just sort of concluding our vlog for this week.
I heard you saying it's been a weekend. I did a curtain. We went to a fun gym place.
So Mummy took you to a place in Batuta called Sky Zone.
Yes.
So whilst I was doing my course.
Can we go there again?
Yeah, of course we can.
Like today?
I'm not sure about today.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're back in, you're coming to creche, camp. It'll be okay. Have you enjoyed this last week?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And the things we've done?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can we go swim?
Love the swimming.
I know, it's pretty fun.
What have you enjoyed most about summer?
Going swimming and going to Sky Zone.
What do we say to everyone now?
Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications.
Somebody watches a lot of YouTube. Who's your favourite YouTuber?
Brianna Preston.
Yeah.
Rebecca Zamoro.
Daddy.
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 My dad.
Yeah.
Not that much. I can show you on my iPad. I'll go and get it.
Go on, you go get it.
I'll come upstairs and show you TikTok.
Whilst I've got 2 minutes, guys, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you ever so much for joining. If you've liked it, as she said, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. I'm going to put a video up here that you may enjoy looking back through some of the other summer video vlogs. And the next time you see me, I'm going to be back in work. I'm going to be looking professional, well, maybe professional, and doing more things teacher-based. We've got some good things coming up, so keep an eye out. But other than that, stay safe, and I will see you
Still up.
soon.
No!